there are two methods. First one is use the remote access with the P2P communication. So we have value-added services for our REX IPPBX. So just simply avail our P2P traversal, enable that one, and you make sure that connection is successful, and you're able to get the registered terminal. This one is the domain name that should be used. So again, this is P2P communication across NAT. It means that you don't have to configure the port mapping on the internet ingress router. So you don't have to bother configuring those. So just simply avail our P2P traversal. Now, if you don't want to avail, of course, you have the option, the method two. You can do with the using the DDNS or the external IP address. Go to basic remote, then set the external IP address. Then you need to configure the port mapping. So port mapping, you need to do that on your router. So make sure that the RTP and the SIP port is been configured appropriately on your router. Okay, so moving forward with the multi-sites deployment, so you can set multi-site numbering scheme on the both sides. So say go to multi-site, globally assigned. And yeah, for this example, I use this one is the P2P traversal status is successful. So I use the device, or you can simply use the device IP address. Then the extension prefix and digits have a three digits. The first device is using the extensions from prefix 2. Second device starts with the prefix 3. So extension here is the extension site A is using the uh, prefix 2, and we have also the prefix 3. So this site A, these 213 can call directly to 301. So vice versa, they can call each other. So this is a multi-site deployment, and it's very useful if you have several branches that is been deployed already. Okay, so yeah, this is registering the remote IP phone. So what if I have IP phone from location A? So my IPPBX is in location A and my IP phone is in location B. So you just simply use the P2P um, address here. Just simply here. I have shown you. You can simply copy this one, then input it on this one, right? So this is the server address. Then of course you need to use the server port for the P2P, that is 5090. And you need to yeah, the same as input the username and the password and enable the registration. And now your remote IP phone will be able to register to the REX IP PBX that is located in the location A. Yeah, same true with the remote RGW gateway. So as you can see here, instead of the IP address, I'm using the P2P register mode here. The proxy server I'm using here. Okay. Then the same method, input the account name, the enable the registration, of course the password, and after that you need to check the registration status, make sure that it's registered successfully, and of course make sure that the response is 200. So by that, you're 100% sure that the gateway, the RGW gateway, is registered to the REX IPPBX. Okay, so I think we're almost done